Good night. My news is about the maternity kit created in Nigeria. In Nigeria, 118 women died in childbirth every day. The situation made that Tayowa gave up her law career to help prevent the mothers from dying in childbirth. That is the reason why she created a life-saving maternity kit which contains sterile supplies to improve basic hygiene, and also it prevents infections, and it could help to women to stop bleeding during the childbirth. The yoga could sell across the country to 5,000 kits. Especially it is distributed to birthing attendants with the purpose of teach them the importance of this kit, because it reduces women's death. So that is the reason why U.S. President Barack Obama praised her for his collaboration. Thank you so much.